the essential teaching of, you see, Buddha Dharma. That is the Bodhicitta. Or the Bodhicitta means a sort of, you see, firm determination to achieve Buddhahood for the benefit of others. You see, that on the basis of Karuna and Maitri, I am developing, you see, that mind. The last, I think now, 30 years effort. Now somehow I am gaining this experience. Then the other one is the wisdom, which is understand shunya. The Sanskrit word shunyata, you see, voidness or emptiness sometimes. So you see, understanding about, you see, that also, this is some, gaining experience. You see, without training, even you cannot utilize, you see, your finger properly. Once you train properly, then small things with, you see, very big finger can handle very well. Human mind as such, without training, seems very difficult, almost impossible. But through, you see, gradual training, step by step, you can do these things. So that is one of the good quality of human consciousness. Sometimes generally human consciousness is very, creative and also sometimes troublemaker. But if you train properly, that will be very nice and very useful, like a real jewel.